Go, go, go! Ew! Oh, Leo! Cool, isn't it? Good old finish to it, like. But that was a way worse now, man. That was a massive big. There's a 2 foot of a wave there at the end of the last day, like. Go on, Mikey! Mikey got mangled by the last day. Ew! Ew! Cool. You have a minute?